Hey there, here are your top news stories from eWEEK. Today's topics include a Google Docs phishing attack, Dell EMC getting ready to launch a hybrid cloud platform for Microsoft Azure Stack, Oracle announcing that enterprise cloud mitigation is in the early stages, and CA Technologies debuting its risk analytics network to reduce online fraud. Phishing attacks are nothing new, but the massive attack on Google Docs that hit the internet on May 3rd takes phishing to a new level. Users around the world began reporting suspicious emails mid-afternoon with a Google Docs link appearing to come from known contacts. The reports surfaced on social media sites including Twitter and Reddit, as some users quickly determined that the Google Docs email was in fact a phishing attack. Later that same afternoon, Google reported that the phishing attack had been addressed and offending accounts had been disabled. The company also stated that fewer than 0.1% of Gmail users were impacted and only contact data was exposed. Dell EMC, in final preparation to host 25,000 attendees at its annual conference in Las Vegas next week, on May 4th let loose a fairly significant news story ahead of that event. The company, which launched its hybrid cloud on VxRail appliances on March 31st, is in the final stages of another version of enterprise cloud, Dell EMC Cloud for Microsoft Azure Stack, which will be ready for prime time in the second half of 2017. This is a new hybrid cloud platform designed to offer a fast track for building and maintaining hybrid clouds that run on Microsoft Azure Stack. It's all about standardizing on the Azure ecosystem with its automated IT service and delivery for both traditional and cloud-native applications. When it comes to cloud computing, Oracle wants it all. The database giant held court on a variety of topics focused mainly on its cloud computing strategy at its headquarters in Redwood City, California, during a media event. "We think this transition to the cloud fully will take a decade," said Oracle CEO Mark Hurd in his opening remarks. In a later question-and-answer session, Hurd qualified that forecast to estimate that 80% of corporate data centers will transition to cloud computing in the next 10 years, and that the testing of applications under development will go completely to the cloud. CA Technologies announced its Risk Analytics Network service on May 4th, providing new capabilities to help reduce online fraud. The CA Risk Analytics Network makes use of machine learning and neural network model techniques to rapidly identify potentially risky devices and transactions. CA already had a payment fraud offering in the market called CA Technology Payment Security Suite. What the Payment Security Suite does is look at various attributes of a cardholder's behavior, including where the user device is located, to identify potential fraud. The new CA Risk Analytics Network complements the Payment Security Suite with new insights and context about potential fraud. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.